It's Diwali time and I'm so excited to receive this traditional Diwali gift hamper from BioBasics. Here it says from Devi and Ramesh, the founders of BioBasics. I'm very curious to open and see what is inside. And as it is from BioBasics, I'm one thing for sure that it is going to be some traditional sweets and savories. Let's see. Our relationship with BioBasics goes even before BioBasics existed. But BioBasics has come a long way since its humble beginnings in 2014. And here I am holding this elegantly packed traditional Diwali gift hamper. By the way, we source all our personal groceries, spices, veggies and fruits that are completely organic from BioBasics. So here we go. Open sesame. Wow. Look at this. What does it contain? Let me put this on the side. There's a card. It says, I keep the farms alive. And it says it's chemical-free, pesticide-free food. This is Thuyamalli Murukku. Thuyamalli is a very traditional variety of rice and the murukku is made with Thuyamalli rice. This is Karpugauni mixture. Karpugauni is a black rice variety and I have done a detailed video on its benefits. And the sweet is coconut barfi, my favorite. Thank you, BioBasics. It's interesting, isn't it, to see how BioBasics is trying to introduce traditional foods. India has got such a rich diversity of traditional sweets and savories. And looking at today's trend of gifting Diwali hampers, most of it is composed of chocolates and cookies and pastries. Isn't this worth mulling over? If you've been regular with Munch and Mull, you may be well aware of the fact that it's been our earnest endeavor to expose all of you to a rich repertoire of traditional foods. It's very, very important that we include traditional foods and a diverse range of foods into our daily cuisine in order to keep lifestyle diseases at bay. And this extends to festivals also. When we have such a rich repertoire of Indian sweets across states of India, should we not pass this knowledge to our future generations? Is it not our responsibility? The only way that this can happen is if these foods are a part of our day-to-day life. So here are some traditional gift ideas for this Diwali. Traditional Diwali foods of snacks, savories, sweets are an obvious choice. How about gifting dry fruits and nuts? They are definitely tasty and far healthier than chocolates. If you're more adventurous, you may consider traditional heirloom grains or pulses. Apart from the savories we have seen in this video, BioBasics has some amazing traditional rices and pulses to choose from. Click on the link in the description to avail of a special discount on your first order. How about using Diwali as an opportunity to introduce organic cold-pressed cooking oils to your friends? If you are deep frying savories at home, this is by far healthier than a refined oil. You can order them on the Munch and Mull website using the links below. And for those of you who are too busy to make Diwali sweets at home, this is my suggestion that at least you could promote reliable sources who will give you quality sweets, traditional Indian sweets. Many homemakers these days are offering this opportunity for y'all. You could encourage them. And in nearby villages around your city, there are communities that make traditional Indian sweets. You could support these communities. And of course, there are places like BioBasics where you get organic traditional sweets. So let's encourage these kind of people who are making traditional sweets and savories and make our Diwali wonderful as well as healthy. But there is more to Diwali than sweets and savories. In South India, even before Diwali starts, we prepare something called a Diwali medicine called Diwali Leum. and this paves way for our digestive system to receive these sweets and savories. How about preparing them this Diwali? I have already made the video on the Diwali Leum, and check out the link in the description box. And for all of us, Diwali starts with a traditional oil bath. How can we miss it? I have made a detailed video on the benefits of oil bath. You should check it out and introduce it this Diwali. Was this video thought-provoking? Did you like this video? If yes, please do click the like button, and if you have not subscribed, it's high time that you hit that subscribe button. Do share this video with your family and friends. Wish you all a very joyous Diwali. Hey, have you subscribed to Munch and Mull? Do click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon to receive notifications of my newest videos uploaded every Saturday.